Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious sweet recipe. We'll be seeing how to prepare restaurant like Nendrambali Halwa or banana halwa at home without sugar using jaggery. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 2 overripe Nendram banana or Kerala banana. While choosing the banana for this recipe, make sure it is overripe and the outer peel is dark black in color. 1 to 1.5 cup of grated jaggery, 1/4 cup of homemade ghee, and finally 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi or cardamom powder. Firstly, to begin with, peel the outer skin of the banana and further chop them into 1-inch pieces. Transfer the chopped banana into a mixer jar and grind this into a fine puree. Make sure not to add any water while doing this. Next, take a saucepan and into that add 1 cup of water and 1.5 cup of grated jaggery. Mix this well and allow this to cook in low to medium flame until the jaggery dissolves completely. For this recipe, we do not need one string consistency, we just need the jaggery to dissolve in water. Once your jaggery syrup is ready, set this aside and next take a thick bottom kadai and into that add 3 to 4 tablespoons of homemade ghee. Once your ghee is hot enough, into this transfer the previously prepared banana puree. Now give this a good mix and keep stirring this and cook in low to medium flame until the banana puree color changes into a little darker shade. Once the banana puree is nicely cooked and it slightly starts separating from the kadai, place a sieve on top and filter the jaggery syrup. While adding the jaggery syrup, make sure it is hot and keep stirring this continuously in low to medium flame until it is lump free. Now we can see that the jaggery is dissolved completely and the halwa is also turned into a little darker shade. Now cook this in low to medium flame until the halwa starts separating from the kadai. After about 5 to 6 minutes of cooking in low to medium flame, into this add 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi or cardamom powder and give everything a good mix. Now we can see that the halwa is almost thickened. At this stage, we can add 2 more tablespoons of homemade ghee. Now give this a good mix and cook this until the halwa starts separating from the kadai. Now we can see that the halwa is almost ready and it has started to separate from the kadai. At this stage we can add any roasted dry fruits if required. Cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes in low to medium flame for the mixture to thicken. Next, take a tray or plate and add half teaspoon of homemade ghee and grease this uniformly. Now pour the prepared halwa into the greased plate and allow this to cool down for some time. After about a minute of pouring the halwa, take a spatula or a backside of a stainless steel tumbler and pat it on the halwa to spread it uniformly in the plate. Once done, allow this to cool down completely in room temperature. Now our delicious Nendrambali halwa is ready. You can cut it into any desired shape and enjoy. We can see how soft and well cooked it is. It is not too sticky and it is of the right consistency. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.